Okay, so popularity metrics are the way that search engines work out how popular your page is compared to others. So search engines do not make their algorithms public in order to prevent misuse. Information can be obtained from search engines provide general guidelines for us as digital marketers how to improve search engine optimization. Expert marketers find out from experience what works best, and that's kind of why I had that slide in on the previous lecture about what are the experts saying about what works best for search engine optimization. Correlation data compares the rankings of millions of websites with different features. So basically, they go, well, this website's ranking well and it has these features. This website's ranking well, it has these features. So you go, is there a theme? Are there any relationships between the web pages that rank well and the features that they've got? And from there, we can work out, well, what does the algorithm like? Now, popularity metrics that we recommend that you look at, you focus on, is the total number of backlinks. Backlinks from related or relevant websites, so the relevance of those. Anchor text, so the links, but what it's actually saying on that link. Link neighborhood, so what's surrounding those links. So if you've got one link and it's in a whole page of links, it's probably not going to be very good link, right? Because the neighborhood is it's just a messy cluster of links. Link freshness, how new is that link? Link diversity, are you just linking to the same domain the whole time, or you're linking to lots of other sites? So is it actually bringing value together, or are you just spamming that same domain? And then social sharing, such as to your socials like Facebook, Instagram, and stuff like that. Alright, so link building. The ideal situation for search engine optimization would to have a multitude of backlinks from a diverse and reputable website using relevant anchor text. Earning backlinks requires a lot of work. So I've told you how important backlinks are, and this is why I want encourage people to focus on internal SEO, because external is a lot of the things that other people do for us. Alright, and it requires a lot of work. And in my opinion, and the opinion of many people, the best way to get external SEO is by focusing on internal SEO and actually providing value so other people want to be connected to you, right? But there are ways that you can do this. So it's better to have a smaller number of high quality links than many low quality links. All right, so let's think about how you do link building. So we've got three different types. We've got editorial links, which are the best. We've got manual links, and then we've got manufactured links. So editorial links are links based on an editorial decision of a webmaster, so the person that makes the website. Usually, webmasters are people that make web pages or control the web page, and it's a very IT sort of term, and they're usually responsible for the technical aspects. But usually the expectation is that the marketing people are responsible for the content on there. So when I say webmaster, I'm thinking, the person that manages that website, but usually we're the ones that provide the content to go on there. So editorial links based on the webmaster or us as digital marketing people, because they like the content of a web page that they are actually linking to. Now consider to increase editorial links. So these are the best ones. So you want these, right? Consider creating linkable content that other websites would want to link to their websites. So if you write an article about marketing and about the importance of it, or just say some new thing comes out in marketing, you're like, or you've done some experiment, or you're actually writing content that other people would want. It's new, it's fresh, and then you can promote that, and then other people go, oh cool, so that might add value to their website by linking to your website, because what you've produced is information that they want to back up on their website. Provide embedded code for visual content. You often see that if you go to YouTube, you right click and you go embedded code or stuff like that, and you can copy that and then paste that into your website, and it actually embed the YouTube video into your website. So that's for YouTube, but you can do it with other things as well. So networking with other businesses. So if you go to a conference or a networking thing, you go, oh yeah, cool, and you talk about what their business is about. You might go, well, that's kind of cool, let's do affiliate thing or some kind of joint thing, and then, or you might know that they exist, so you go, well, this is a great thing that's happened in Tasmania, and then provide a link to that event or that web page or something like that. And then investigate competing websites. So who are your competitors linking to, and maybe you might be providing more value than your competitors. So whoever's linking to your competitors, you might be able to let them inform them of your content, and they go, oh yeah, that's even better and even more fresh, and then link to you instead. All right, manual links refer to links that are intentionally placed by the webmaster, but they're not actually editorial. So they're not adding to the story, they're not adding to what they're trying to say, they're not adding value to the website by having that link there. An example is submitting a business to a business directory that lists the website. So you go, it's just, marketing companies in Tasmania, and it's a link to our company with a list of whole other ones there. So it's there for a purpose. It does add value, but not the same as editorial value. Social media sites allow businesses to create business profiles with a link to their site, which is actually quite good. Manufactured links, on the other hand, are links that are manipulative or unnatural links that are created without approval. For example, spamming internet forums or comment sections with links to the website. These types of links should definitely be avoided because they don't add to your page rank. They don't add value to your SEO. Right, so that's it. Next we're going to look at content marketing.